Okay, so in this video I've got 2 portions of porridge that I made earlier. So this is just whole rolled oats with half and half almond milk and water, exactly the same from the same batch of porridge I made this morning. And all I'm going to do is take one of these Digestive TerraZymes. So it's an enzyme complex, digestive enzyme. It looks like this. And I'm going to take a couple of these capsules and I'm going to put it in, where shall I put it? I'm going to put it in this one. Okay, so this is the control. I'm just going to leave it alone as it is. And this one, I'm going to put 2 capsules because that's how much I take a day. And these cups are kind of demonstrating the contents of, well, this one on the right here is going to kind of demonstrate the contents of my stomach when I'm digesting the porridge with some enzymes. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a stir. Just looks like a kind of brown powder. Give that a stir as it would in your mouth when you're chewing it up, and then as you swallow it, and already you can see a difference. It's starting to liquefy compared to this one, which is still really solid. Okay, this is already turning to liquid. But now I'm going to switch this camera onto time lapse so that you can watch what happens to them in a little bit speeded up, so that you don't have to sit here watching, because it can take maybe 20 minutes. Okay, so the next part of this video will be time lapse. See, it's about 20 minutes of time-lapse video. The one with the digestive enzymes is just completely turned to slush. The enzymes have been breaking down that porridge, digesting it already in the cup, and the one that didn't have any digestive enzymes is completely solid, as you would say, for porridge, undigested whole. Okay, so that's a demonstration of what, sorry about my dirty fingernails, I've been doing the gardening. That's a demonstration of what TerraZyme can do in your stomach. It digests your food, breaks it down into the teeny tiny particles, the building blocks that your body needs to build you, to build a baby, to feed a baby, and to heal yourself and to rebuild yourself. So there you go, there you have it. That is the dōTERRA digestive enzyme complex in a little science demonstration. Okay, thanks for watching.